See, I told you it was going to pop up soon.
So Al, Michelle, and I are on the
Oh, and I went one
bay side.
under.
Now it's done. There's a loon out there.
I learned that word when I was playing volleyball.
We're in Sturgeon Bay.
Where's it? You know, like the bad. It's like all like.
Good. When I played in Miami, I
It's really neat out here. There's a shipbuilding factory place down there.
Oh, it's back up.
There's the loon.
See, loons are different than ducks. They're different. Their necks are skinnier.
And they're long.
They make them go underwater.
Like you just did. Yeah. It's cool out here.
I told you I wanted to see.
Yeah. Lots of big ships.
The loon's back.
It's
Over there now.
You go swim with the loon.
Oh, there's ducks under there.
That's so cool. Right off a place called Otumba Park. Oh, not too far from here, there's the Empire State Shipwreck.
Cool. Oh, loon, where'd you go? Where'd it go?
I never saw him come back out yet.
And the thing is, loons can stay under for a long period of time.
Right. So, he might be under for a while.
Because before, I saw him over there, and then he went under, and then when he popped up, he was over there.
Huh. He's swimming under and grabbing some fish along the way. It's really neat out here.